Hi, friends. We are ready for Unit 5, Week 1, Day 3. This week, we've been talking about how to classify and categorize things. We've talked about sorting hats like winter hats, or like hats that keep the sun out of your eyes, right? We've talked about, in like Goldilocks, there's hot, warm, and cold, right? We could put those things in categories, or big, medium, small. Those would be categories. All right, so we are going to continue that for today. All right, we're going to blend the sounds to make a word. So when you get your choppers out, here we go. Do it with me. Art. What's the word? Art. Nice job. K. Art. What's the word? Cart. Sh. Arp. What's the word? Sharp. Y. Ard. What's the word? Yard. Nice job. Two more. R. Star. Nice job. Art. Dart is the word. This week we've been learning about AR, and we know that AR says what? Say it loud. R. AR says R, like in car. All right, let's get those lion paws out and let's tap. Here we go. Arn. Barn. Arc. Mark. Art. Smart. Arc. Spark. All right. We're going to skip that today. We are going to go ahead and read our sentences. Are you ready? Mars is a planet far away. Let's read that again. Mars is a planet far away. Do you see any R words? Mars and far. All right, let's read our second sentence. Mark put large jars in his cart at the market. Let's read it again. Mark put large jars in his cart at the market. All right, do you see any R words, AR words? Mark, large, jars, cart, there's one more, market. Nice work. All right, today we're going to review our high frequency words. Are you ready? All right, first time through, we're going to just say them. Are you ready? 4, round, put, large, none, only. All right, this time we're going to skywrite them again because sometimes that just makes our brain remember them. All right, so get 2 fingers out. We're going to start right here at 4. Are you ready? Eyes open. F, spell it with me. O, U, R, 4. Eyes closed. F, O, U, R, 4. Nice work. All right, let's go ahead and move on to our next word. What's that word again? Large. All right, 2 fingers up, eyes open. Spell it with me. L, A, R, G, E. Large. All right, eyes closed. Spell it out loud with me and write it. L, A, R, G, E. Large. All right, here's our next word. None. Eyes open. N, O, N, E. None. Eyes closed. N, O, N, E. None. Nice work. All right, what's this next one? Only. All right, let's skywrite it. Eyes open. O-N-L-Y, only. Eyes closed. O-N-L-Y, only. All right, what's this one? Put. All right, eyes open. Here we go. P-U-T, put. All right, eyes closed. P-U-T, put. All right, last one, and it's a long word. Are you ready? What is that word? Round. All right, let's go write it. R-O-U-N-D, round. All right, close your eyes. Here we go. R-O-U-N-D, round. Nice work. All right, now we have to fill in some words that are missing in our sentences, and we're going to be using these words: for, large, none, only, put, and round. Are you ready? All right. Mom put blank blank cookies into a jar. Mom put 4 large cookies into a jar. Once I ate 2, comma, blank 2 were left. Once I ate 2, comma, blank 2 were left. Once I ate 2, only 2 were left. Nice work. All right, our last one. Dad ate 2. Now there are blank left. Dad ate 2. Now there are... If there were only 2 left, and now Dad ate 2 more. Now there are how many left? There are none left. None would go in that blank. All right, we're going to read some stories today. Make sure you're reading along with me. You'll have to click the other links. See you next time.